Welcome to the Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and today I'm going to be installing some headlights in this Kia Soul. Before we get started, make sure you check out our new store for all the latest merchandise from the Garage USA, including some items that are available for a limited time. Not only do they look great, it also helps support the channel. Now back to the video. Thanks for joining me. So this company Rimthin actually reached out to me and wanted to know if I would like to try these new LED lights. So we're going to go ahead and install them in my daughter's Kia Soul. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so we'll start by opening the hood. And then the headlights are pretty easy to change. It's right up in here. I'll show you the other side. It's right there. Alright, so I'm actually going to start on the passenger side because there's a lot more room over here to take this cover off. And the light is right back in here. So we'll take the wires off the bulb here, and it comes out like that. And then this looks like it just twists, and then this will come out. And then this is the old bulb will twist out. Then I'll show you this new light from Rimthin. It's actually a pretty interesting looking bulb here. So this goes in place of that. And then we'll see how that looks. And there's the old bulb. And we'll insert the new one in there. Now this side is actually a lot more difficult because the fuse box is in the way here. So I'll have to maneuver this around with the cable. There we go. That unplugs just like the other side. And then this will twist out. Alright. There's the old bulb. Put the new one in. Alright, so we'll put that in here. We'll plug this in. Okay, so with the new lights in, I thought I would just kind of do a pass across the front with them on. And I can already tell that these are a lot brighter than the original bulbs that were in this car. So we'll go take it out for a drive. And these are the regular bulbs, and we just did a short little drive before we installed the new lights. And then these are the Rimthin LEDs. You know, unfortunately, the camera that I use is not the greatest in darker settings, but these lights were incredible. And if you go back and watch the little 10 seconds of the previous bulbs, you can tell how much of a difference these lights make. So just really nice, and I'm very satisfied with the power that these have. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'd like to thank you for watching The Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and I'll see you next time.